Hello from Top Banana. So today we have quite an interesting comparison which I actually think science seekers would learn something from. So today we have a patch box and a snuff box. Do I hear you cry? What is the difference? Well, here we go. So here the George Washington the first President of the United States. We have a snuff box. Now, why is this a snuff box? I'm just about to show you the patch box. It's a lovely patch box here with a spaniel on, with a lovely motto saying, "The gift is small, but love is all," which is beautiful. It does have a little bit of crackle to the Bilston enamel. Again, a subject for another day. Anyway, so we open up. Here, please note, open up, and you may notice inside there. It's a picture of, just doing the reflection so you can see it, is a mirror. And this is for patches. So the mirror is then held to the, not necessarily lady's face, but it can be a man's too. And in Georgian times, and these boxes are all late 18th century, early 19th century, so it's just 1780s to 1820s. It's very, very popular for men and women to wear a patch. Now, a patch was basically a beauty spot, so often on their faces particularly, where they would enhance this by adding a patch, which is a little bit of black paper, often enhanced with powder, etc. And apply it to their face or their blemish to actually effectively a beauty spot. And that's hence the word patch box and hence the word snuff box. Obviously snuff was a tobacco-based product primarily taken by men, full of nicotine and highly addictive, and snuff boxes were very, very popular, again a similar sort of time. Both are available on our websites. Particularly search Sonia Cashman, who's our superstar dealer with these items, www.topbananaantiques.com.